Hi, I'm Pete Kutzer with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools. Today I want to talk to you about casting sinking lines and ways you can use these really effective tools to catch fish in deep water situations. Sinking lines are great effective tools when you're fishing large bodies of water like this lake, maybe the ocean, even rivers in high water situations. With these sinking lines though, they do provide a challenge. When we cast that line out onto the water and it starts to get down deeper and deeper in the water column, we can't pick that line out back off the water to reset and make another cast. So we have to do a couple things. We can either strip this line in, get to that shorter length of line, and then start to false cast this line out, back out to our target, or we can do that roll cast pickup. Strip it into a moderate length, make a roll cast, then we can pick it up and shoot it back out. When we're fishing with these sinking lines and we have a large fly on, or even a small fly, we do have to open up our loop a little bit. We want to open up that loop just a little bit using what's called a constant tension cast or a Belgian cast. We're going to make a lower back cast, bring a rod up, and then make a high overhead forward cast. This constant tension cast keeps that line under tension, like its name says, and allows us to get that fly out there with a lot less effort and gets us right on target. I'll make a low angle back cast, bring the rod up over the top, and it keeps everything nice and easy so we can deliver that fly out to our target. Low angle back cast, over the head forward cast. Low angle back cast, over the head forward cast. That constant tension, keeping that leader nice and straight, is going to help get that fly out there with a lot less effort when we're using sinking lines.